Microsoft has confirmed that Windows 10 will arrive on the 29th of July. Here's why Microsoft needs the next version of its operating system to be a hit. Microsoft's biggest desktop rival is Mac OS X, and while Apple's software has only a fraction of the market share, Tim Cook and pals undoubtedly have the most popular gadgets, and have made moves to ensure all their different products work well together. To compete, Microsoft is promising one app store across all devices, and universal apps that exist on both PCs and mobile tech. It's also following Apple's lead in making this major update free to existing customers. Google has done a really good job in the last few years of making the case for not having an operating system at all, packing many of the services we love like email, maps, documents and more into a web browser, shifting focus onto the web and away from the desktop. Microsoft needs Windows 10 to remind customers what a fully fledged operating system can do. Windows is by far the most widely used operating system on the planet, but this is a double-edged sword. Windows 8 hasn't been as successful as Microsoft would have liked, leaving huge swathes of customers using Windows 7 or even the now unsupported Windows XP. In a bid to unify the world of Windows, Microsoft will put Windows 10 on phones, tablets, even on the Xbox, and while it's sticking with its colourful tiled look, it brings back the Start menu, which will go over well with those who prefer the familiarity of classic Windows. If Microsoft can bring that broad appeal, Windows 10 could ensure further years of desktop dominance, and even start to fight Apple in the mobile market. But if it doesn't win over the masses, this could be the point where the Windows dynasty comes to an end. It's all to play for, so bring on the 29th of July.